Everyone wants to make more money, but most of us don't have extra time to do so because we already have jobs. Think about the fact that while you sleep, someone is making money for you. This is so cool, is it not? We call this kind of income passive income. There are a lot of ways to make money without doing anything, but if you are a programmer, I will show you how to do it today. If you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this. Number 1. Sell software and digital asset. Sell software. Selling software can be the best way to earn money passively. Take your time and build software that can solve a particular problem. There is a lot of marketplace like App Store/Play Store, ThemeForest, Code Canyon where you can sell your software. Good software can be the source of your lifetime passive income. Digital asset. You can build your own digital asset to make revenue. For example, it can be ebook. You can make an ebook about programming tips, developer guidelines, and many more topics that include your programming experience. How can this ebook be your passive income? Launch this ebook on Gumroad and generate passive income for a lifetime. Tips. To sell your software, find your niche. To sell your digital product, grow your audience. You can grow your audience on Twitter, works fine. Number 2. Start blogging. As a programmer, you are already a good reader. Every day you read documentation solutions on the internet. Now your turn to be a writer. What you know a good reader can be a good writer. Medium. For passive income, Medium is one of the best blogging sites. You can earn money for a lifetime from your article. For this, you need to become a member of the partnership program. As though it's hard to earn money in the beginning, an article might generate $200 to $1,000 or even more if it can attract a good number of readers. It is not only about the medium. You can also start your personal blog website. There are many blogs available to earn money with programming/technical writing. Some of them are tutorialspoint.com, vonage.com, digitalocean.com, and many more. Number 3. Start your own YouTube channel. As a programmer, you can start a YouTube channel where you can upload your content. You can kill two birds just by throwing one stone. It will increase your skill because you will learn a lot when you are going to make content about programming. On the other hand, it is your long-term side income source for a lifetime. 1K subscriber and 4K hour watch time video can earn from YouTube. You can also start teaching on Udemy and other educational platforms and can earn money. Number 4. Freelance online. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make extra income and one of the most flexible. As a programmer freelancer, you can choose which projects and clients you take on. There are freelance gigs to fit any coding language you like most and skill set you can think of. There is a lot of freelance platforms where you can start earning your side income as Upwork, Fiverr, etc. So just mind that if you want to earn money, just knock on the door of money.